Good morning students. Today we are going to study exercise 7.1 part 2. Okay. Already we have completed question number up to question number 3. So today we are going to start from question number 4. The question is, find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is given. From that we are going to find the area of equilateral triangle. Okay. So the given is perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 180 centimeter. Okay. So already we know that it is an equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Okay. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So you can take it as A. Okay. So the perimeter is what? A plus A plus A, 3A. Okay. So you can take it as 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. So from that we are going to find the value of A. A is nothing but side of a triangle. Okay. So 180 divided by 3 get cancelled is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay. So therefore the side of the triangle is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay. We want to find the area of equilateral triangle. So we want to write the formula. Okay. So area of an equilateral triangle is equal to, already we know that the formula is root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Here a is equal to side of the triangle. Okay. So you have to apply the value for a. Root 3 by 4. Here what is the value of a? 60. So a square means you can write it as 2 times. 60 into 60. So now we are going to cancel. 4 means 15 times 4 into 15, 60. So you get cancelled. So so what you get remaining? Root 3 into 15 into 60. Already we know that the root 3 value is 1.732 into 15 into 60. Okay. So now we are going to multiply 15 into 6. So what do you get? 6 5s are 30, balance 3, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 90. So if you multiply 60 means one more 0 will be added. So 900. So now we are going to multiply 9 into 1.732. So 9 ala multiply panna enna kedaikum namukku? 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1, 28, balance 2, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 2, 65, balance 6, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 6, 15. Okay. So we have a 3 decimal places. So you can keep a point. Okay. So if you multiply 900 means the point moves to 2 sides right side. So what do you get remaining? So the answer is 155.800. Okay va. So inga 9 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோம். நமக்கு தேவை 900 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது இந்த பாயிண்ட் ரைட் சைடு 2 digits மூவ் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So you will get the answer 155.800. It is the area. Okay. So we are using the unit is centimeter. So you can use centimeter square. Okay. That's all. So your fourth problem over. Okay. So now we are going to start question number 5. The question is, an advertisement board is in the form of isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter. Isosceles triangle means any two sides must be equal. Okay, so isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting at rupees 17.50 per square meter. So, first you can draw the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means already I told you it is any two sides must be equal. So, okay. So, we are taking any two sides must be equal. So, this is A means this is, you can take it B. What is given? The perimeter is 36 meter and each of equal sides, the two equal sides is 13 meter. Okay, these two equal sides are 13 meter. Okay, so we don't know the third side. That only we are going to find first. Okay, then we want to find the cost of painting. So you can write the given first. The given value is perimeter of an isosceles triangle perimeter of an isosceles triangle is equal to 36 meter. Okay, then equal sides of a triangle, equal sides of a triangle is equal to 13 meter. Okay, so we want to find the third side. The length of the third side is equal to length of the third side. How to find the length of the third side? We know that the perimeter is 36 meter. Okay, so 36 the perimeter means what? Length of the boundary. That means all the three sides is called perimeter. So you are going to subtract from the perimeter the two sides. Okay, 36 la irundhu enna panna porom, remaining two sides நம்ம subtract பண்ண போறோம். So 13 plus 13. Okay, so what do you get remaining? 36 minus 13 plus 13, 26. Okay, so 36 minus 26 means, subtract means we will get 10 centimeter. So the length of the third side is 10 centimeter. Okay, so now we are going to find the area, cost of painting கேக்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா, so board ஓட cost of painting னா ஃபுல்லா paint பண்ண போறாங்க, நம்ம area find out பண்ணனும் அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா, so first you have to find S value. Okay, because what is the formula? Area of a triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here what is S? S is a semi-perimeter. S is equal to semi-perimeter. Okay, the formula is what? S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So here A value is what? A value, here we have a two equal sides, that is 13 and 13, another side is 10. Okay, so you can write it 13 plus 13 plus 10 divided by 2, or otherwise you can write it 36 because it is a perimeter. A plus B plus C is the sum of the boundary. Okay, appo inga enna varum 36 varum. Okay, 36 divided by 2 get cancel, you will get 18. Okay, therefore the value of S is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, so we want to find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, So S minus A is equal to S is equal to 18 centimeter. S is equal to 18. So 18 minus 13 is equal to 5 centimeter, and S minus B is equal to that also same. Okay. So இங்க நம்ம B ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறது உனக்கு அங்க கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம். ஜஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், A B நம்ம இடத்துல B ங்கிறது நம்ம another சைடா எடுத்துக்கோம். இல்ல அப்படினா நீங்க இத C ன்னு கூட எடுத்துக்கலாம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, அவனோட கன்ஃபியூஷன் அங்க கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆக வேண்டாம் அப்படினா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், இத C ன்னு கூட எடுத்துக்கங்க. ஓகேவா? பட் எங்க A B ங்கிறது ரெண்டு வேல்யூ நான் A னே எடுத்துக்கேன், ஏனா ஈக்குவல்ங்கிறதுனால. ஓகேவா? So here this also 13, so 5 centimeter. Then S minus C is equal to, here what is C value? 8, that is third side 10. Okay, so this is equal to 8 centimeter. So now we found the values S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now we are going to apply the values in area formula. Okay, so area of a triangle, already we write the formula, so you can write directly, you can apply. S is equal to 18, 18 into 5 into 5 into 8. Okay, then what we want to do, we want to split the numbers into prime factors. Okay va, prime factor enna panna porom, split panna porom. So we know that 18 is a prime factor of what, 2 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 into 2 18. So then 5 into 5, then 8 can be splitted as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so in a square root, for each two equal terms we can take it out one term. Okay va, rendu equal terms ku oru term vella edukalam. Okay, so here we have a 2 3s and 2 5s and 4 2s. Okay va, so appo velila edukumbodhu enna varum, oru 3 vella varum, then 1 5, then 2 2s. Okay, because here in root we have a 4 2s, for each two terms we can take it out one term. So what do you get the answer, 3 into 5 15, 15 into 2 2s are 4, 15 into 4 you will get 60. Here we are using the unit is centimeter. Okay, so that means the area unit is what, centimeter square. Okay, so we want to find the cost of painting. Okay, so this is the area of a triangle, area of a triangle, triangular board. Okay, area of a triangular board. Area of a triangular board. Okay, so now we are going to find the cost of painting. Cost of painting for sorry, here everything is meter. Okay, so cost of painting for 1 meter square, cost of painting for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 17.50. Okay, so we want to find the cost for 60 meter square. Okay, so cost of painting for 60 meter square, that means we want to multiply 60 with 17.50. So 60 into 17.50. So now we are going to multiply 175 into 6. Okay, 6 ஆல மட்டும் multiply பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then after we can add the zeros. 6 5s are 30, balance 3. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. Balance 4. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. So now we have a 2 zeros, 60, no? So 60. So you will get one more 0. Okay. So what is that? Here also we have a 0. Then you have to keep the point. So what do you get? Rupees 1050. Okay. Then next problem, question number 6. Okay, find the area of the unshaded region. Area of the unshaded region. Okay. This is the given triangle. A, B, this is D and this is C. Okay. So this is the shaded part. Okay. This is the shaded part. We want to find the area of unshaded region. Shade பண்ணாத part நம்ம பண்ணாத place ஓட ஏரியாவை நம்ம find out பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? சரி. இப்போ first அதோட length பார்க்கலாம். This is 12 cm and this is 16 cm. This is 42 and this one 34 cm. Okay. So first we want to find the unshaded region, means first you have to find the length of AB. Find the length of AB because we are going to find the area of ABC. Then then find the area of ABD. அந்த பெரிய ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருந்து இந்த சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிள் ABD சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா unshaded region நமக்கு கிடைச்சிரும். ஸோ இதுக்கு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன தேவை நமக்கு? லென்த் ஆஃப் AB தேவை. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் in a triangle this is question number 7, sorry, question number 6. Okay, in a triangle, the smaller triangle I am going to take, that is ABD. Okay, ABD. Here angle D is equal to 90 degree. எதை வச்சு சொல்றோம்? இங்க நமக்கு ஒரு L ஷேப்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா D கிட்ட, அப்படி இருந்தா என்ன அர்த்தம்? It is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle means there will be 90 degree. Okay, so angle D is equal to 90 degree. If it is a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras theorem? It explains a hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two sides square. Okay, so இப்போ இங்க ஆப்போசிட்டா இருக்குது, D க்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா இருக்கிறது தான் நமக்கு hypotenuse. Okay, so therefore by Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AB square, that is hypotenuse square. Okay, AB square is equal to sum of the other two sides, that is AD square plus DB square. Okay, so what is AD value? AD value is 12. Okay, so 12 square plus DB value is 16. So 16 square. So we know that 12 square is 144 and 16 square is 256. Okay. If you add, you will get 400. 144 plus 256 is equal to 400. This is the value of AB square. Okay. But we need only AB. AB தான் நமக்கு தேவை. So square cancel பண்ணலாம் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? You can take a square root. Both side also you can take a square root. So that is 400. Left hand side root 2 square root cancel ஆயிரும். So you will get AB. So AB is equal to root 400. That is equal to root of, it can be splitted as 20 into 20. So already I told you in square root we can take for each two terms you can take it out one term outside. So this is 20. So in the question everything is given in the centimeter. So you can take it as centimeter. Okay. So AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. So now we are going to find the area for the smaller triangle ABD. So what is that formula? Area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So what is S? First we want to find the S value. Okay. So you can take area of triangle ADB. Okay va? Triangle ADB. சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிளோட ஏரியா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், எஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கலாம். ஹியர் எஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஏ பிளஸ் பி பிளஸ் சி டிவைடட் பை 2. ஸோ உங்க சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிள்ல என்னென்ன வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கு? ஏடிபியில் 12 centimeter, 16 centimeter and the AB value already we found, that is 20 centimeter. Okay. So you can add it 12 plus 16 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 divided by 2. So what do you get? 12 plus 16 28, 28 plus 20 48. Okay. So 48 divided by 2, this is equal to, get cancel. So you will get 24 centimeter. Okay. So S is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay. Now we can apply area of triangle ADB is equal to root of, here S value is equal to, S value is 24. Okay. S value is 24. So you can use 24 into S minus A, 24 minus 16, then 24 minus 12 and 24 minus 20. Okay. So what do you get remaining? 24. 24 minus 16, 8. Okay. Then 24 minus 12, 12. Then 24 minus 20, 4. Okay. So what do you get? You can split the values. இங்க இந்த இதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஏரியா ஆஃப் ட்ரையாங்கிள் இந்த மெத்தட்லயும் போடலாம். இல்ல அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஹைப்போடெனிஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால இட் இஸ் a right angle triangle half into base into height, அந்த ஃபார்முலாலயே நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு எது ஈஸியா இருக்கோ நீங்க அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ 24 எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுவ? 2 2s are 4, 4 into 6 24, so again 2 into 3. Okay. Then 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then 12, 2 into 3 into 2. Okay. Then 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Okay. that is equal to, how many 2s are there? 3, 6, 8, 10 so 5 2s will over, okay va? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay. Then we have a 2 3s, so you can take it out 1 3. So what do you get the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 3, 32 into 3, you will get 96, okay. 96 centimeter square, or otherwise you can use half into base into height, okay va? இதில என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், area of triangle ADB is equal to, இது வந்து right angle triangle இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் இந்த formula யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும், otherwise you can use the normal formula s into s minus b, okay. Half into base into height, so half into, இங்க பேஸ்ங்கிறது எதை மீன் பண்ணும், நமக்கு அந்த 12 மீன் பண்ணும். அங்க ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதுல பேஸ் இன்டு ஹைட்ங்கிறது இந்த ரைட் ஆங்கிள் எங்க வந்திருக்கோ அந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸையும் தான் எடுத்துக்கணும், 12 and 16 எடுத்துக்கலாம், ஓகேவா. ஸோ சப்போஸ் ஃபார்முலா மறந்து போயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் அந்த ஃபார்முலாவே எடுத்து போடுங்க, ஒன்றும் தப்பு கிடையாது, ரெண்டுத்துல எது வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஓகே. ஸோ வாட் யூ கெட் ஹியர் 8, ஓகே. 8 into 16, sorry 2 8s are 8 into, sorry 6 are here, 6 into 66, you will get 96 centimeter square, okay. So இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா முடிஞ்சிரும் உங்களுக்கு. ஆனா ஃபார்முலா தேடி மறந்து போச்சுன்னா நீங்க எப்பவும் போல அந்த ஃபார்முலாவை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கங்க. சரி, இது வந்து சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிளோட ஏரியா. தென் பெரிய ட்ரையாங்கிளோட ஏரியா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் ட்ரையாங்கிள் ஏபிசி, ஏரியா ஆஃப் ட்ரையாங்கிள் ஏபிசி, இதுக்கு நம்ம எப்பயும் போல அந்த எஸ் ஃபார்முலா தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ ஹியர் A is equal to 34 and B is equal to 42 and C is equal to 20 centimeter, okay va. A is equal to 42 centimeter and B is equal to 34 centimeter and C is equal to 20 centimeter. Sorry. Then we have to find the value of S. S is equal to what? A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here what is A? 42 plus 34 plus 20 divided by 2. Okay. Then if you add, you will get 96. Okay. So 96 by 2 get cancelled. You will get 48 centimeter. This is the value of S. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of S minus A and S minus B, then S minus C. Okay. So what is S? 48. 48 minus 42. Then 48 minus 34. Then 48 minus 20. 48 minus 42, you will get 6. Then 48 minus 34, you will get 14. Okay. Then 48 minus 20, you will get 28. Okay. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here S is the value of 48. 48 into 6 into 14 into 28. Okay. So 48 can be splitted as 8 6 are 48 nu pirikalama. So 8 6 are means 2 into 2 into 2, then 6 ku 2 into 3, okay va. Then next 6 ku again 2 into 3, then 14 2 into 7, then 28 4 7s are 28, so 2 into 7, okay. So now check how many 2s are there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos are there. So you can take it 4 twos outside. Okay. Then we have a 2 threes. So you can take it 1 3 outside. We have a 2 7 and we can take 1 7 outside. So what do you get? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 into 3 into 7. Okay. So what do you get the answer? If you multiply, you will get 336 centimeters square because it is the area. Okay. So this is the area of triangle ABC. Okay. So now we are going to find the area of unshaded region. Area of unshaded region. Shade பண்ணாத part. Unshaded na shade ஆகாத part. Okay வா. So shade ஆகாத part na என்ன பண்ணலாம்? பெரிய triangle இருந்து சின்ன triangle subtract பண்ணணும். Okay. So that is area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ADB. Okay வா. So already நம்ம area of triangle ADB find out பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Area of ABCங்கிறது 336. Okay. 336 minus area of triangle ADB is equal to 96. Okay. Then you have to subtract. Both also centimeter square. So if you subtract, what do you get? So your answer is 240 centimeter square. Okay. That's all. Thank you, students.